So guys, this is Gail of 876 Documents, and I have amazing news. Jamaica is getting a new passport. So now we've had a hardcover, another hardcover, a big blue, the one I love to call big blue, and then we had a burgundy. I think we had two burgundies, but let's just say we had one burgundy. So hardcover, big blue, burgundy, blue small, and then we had a dark blue, which is the one we currently have, the dark blue, machine readable. This makes 7. Now this is an enhanced passport. This one will have a chip and it is way more secure. You just scan it. There are 149 countries that already have this passport, and Jamaica has joined them. Yay! It has enhanced security features. It is going to be a universal passport, not meaning you can go anywhere, but it is in keeping with the style and the trend of passports in other countries in the world. I have so many questions. First of all, you do not have to renew your passport just because there's a new one. You may use your passport for the duration of the time you have on it. However, if you are getting a new passport, you will be getting the enhanced one. As far as I know, the enhanced one does not cost anymore, and it starts at the end of March. Now, I want to know, if I do have one that has more than a year left on it, can I get the enhanced one still? Is that a thing? I have so many questions. I'm so excited. This is Gail of 876 Documents. Thank you for watching.